Welcome to ATAC. Today we will discuss that how you can change the language of your WhatsApp. So first of all, open your WhatsApp. Then on top right corner you can see three dots option. So we will select it. So in this section you can see different options. So at last you can see settings option. We will select it. In the setting tab you can see different options. So after scrolling you can see app language option. So we will open this tab. Here you can see almost all the major languages of the world. You can scroll and find the language that you want to convert. Here you can find almost all the major languages. So I will select Urdu first one. So you can see all my settings changed to Urdu. You can see all the tabs, chats, updates and calls options all are in Urdu now. So in this way you can change your language easily on WhatsApp. So in the same way you can again change your WhatsApp language to English. So select three dots, go to settings and change your language to English again. So you can see that my language is English now. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks.